To perform this installation, you will need a Phillips head and flathead screwdriver. A hardware packet is provided, and there will be a P-clamp on each cable. You have two parts to every cable, the bed side and the wall side. This setup falls under the bed break category because the break happens closer to the bed. That means the long cable stays in the room and the short cable moves with the bed. We will start on the wall side. Take the P-clamp provided on the wall side cable and use or create a hole to secure the P-clamp and cable to the wall. This will help prevent the cable from being removed from the wall jack. This cable has a conventional 37-pin right-angle male end and a magnetic 37-pin male end. On the conventional 37-pin right-angle male end, there are two thumb screws. You can decide if you want to use the thumb screws or the provided screws for the installation. The manufacturer's recommendation is to remove the thumb screws and embed a short screw and a long screw into the appropriate holes where the thumb screws were. Now, place it on the 37-pin receptacle for the nurse call system on the wall. Using your flathead screwdriver, screw it in securely. For the bed side of the cable, we will be concentrating on the conventional 37-pin side. You will notice that the cable comes with thumb screws. You can decide if you want to use the thumb screws or the provided short screws for the installation. The manufacturer's recommendation is to remove the thumb screws and embed the short screws into the holes where the thumb screws were. Now, with the short screws in place, we will take the cable head and place it onto the 37-pin port on the bed. Using our flathead screwdriver, we will tighten down the cable to the port on the bed until it is secure. Lastly, use the P-clamp to secure the cable to the bed. We recommend using an existing hole. Utilizing the P-clamp will help keep the cable secure on the 37-pin port, and you can use it to shorten the cable. However, make sure you measure how much cable you need before securing down the P-clamp. Now you have the blackjack cable installed. The two ends snap together to create the connection between the bed and the nurse call system and can separate with a strong tug without causing damage to either end.